Hello everybody and welcome to a quick tutorial of PCDX. Today I'm going to show you how to change the location of Microsoft Store apps. What I mean by location, I mean by where Windows saves the files necessary for the app to run, or in other words, the app itself. Now many of you may say, who uses the Microsoft Store? So in Windows 11, which is the new release of Windows that will be released according to The Verge on October of 2021, the Microsoft Store will get a whole new meaning and therefore you will use it quite more often. However, in Windows 10 many users are still using the Microsoft Store, mainly, I guess, for video games, because Microsoft sells video games and they sell a lot of heavy media there, and most of us have computers with low storage on C drive because it's an SSD. So today I will show you just how to change it. It's very simple and quick. The first thing you want to do is open the start menu because we're going to enter the settings. So here we are, and hover with the mouse here and click settings. Simple as that. Here we are going to go to System, Storage, and here we shall pick the second option of change where new content is saved. Now there are many options here, but what we care about is the first. New apps will save to, and by default it's for local disk C. I have multiple drives, and pick the drive that you wish. You're not going to see the files on the drive, it's not going to disturb you, it will just prevent you from using unwanted storage on your computer. And by new apps it means the apps that you can install from the Microsoft Store. And as you can see, there are plenty of things here that may weigh a lot of gigabytes. I see that there is Minecraft. It's a video game, so it must be heavy. Xbox Slither is just light game. And I'm sure that there are many heavy stuff here. Maybe even programs. So yeah, that's it. Pretty quick, pretty simple. And the reasoning behind is also pretty understandable. So thank you very much for watching. It was a very quick tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.